interrupted with the Libiconv.dll blocking your multimedia or imaging software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we get started with Libiconv, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Libiconv, an implementation of the Libiconv Character Set conversion library. It allows applications to convert text between hundreds of international encodings, e.g., UTF-8 to Shift-JIS. If missing, host applications will fail to parse localized text files, leading to invalid character set errors or a failure to initialize the language engine. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. For errors involving Libiconv, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files, and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Libiconv component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Libiconv.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Libiconv optimization concepts. To support our technical team and receive updates on Libiconv resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.